Okay, let's talk about something that we really don't like talking about. Dry, cracked heels or calluses on our feet. It is summertime almost, so we're into sandal season. So I was excited to get this sample of foot balm that's for cracked, rough, dry feet and heels. And this is by Ancient Greek Remedy. And if you've ever looked down and just thought, wow, my feet need some serious help, then I think you'll be interested in this. My feet tend to be very dry, so I'm always trying different things to help with that. And what I really like is this is an organic foot balm that was designed specifically for dry feet, rough skin, calluses, and cracked heels. And this is different from most foot creams because most of them are pretty much water, where this is a concentrated balm. And what surprised me most is how little you actually need. A small amount of this goes a long way because it's much richer than a typical lotion. It's more of an oil. And I'm going to just show you the texture of it real quick. So it's got the lid and then a pump. So I'm just going to put a pump of it on my finger. There you can see the texture. I'm going to rub it on the back of my hand so you can kind of see. So it kind of leaves a greasy shine, and it goes a long, long way. Now, obviously, you use this on your feet, not your hands. I'm just doing this to show you. It definitely is greasy. I like to use it at night. Like after I shower, I'll put it on my feet and then put socks on until I actually go to sleep. And that seems to be working real well. If my feet are extra dry, I will also do it first thing in the morning and leave my socks on for a little bit. But I like that that texture feels real nourishing and feels nice. It made my feet feel so much softer when I started using it. And I love the fact that it's made with natural ingredients. It's got like jojoba oil, lavender oil, sweet almond oil, olive oil, and vitamin E. Those are all really good ingredients for skin. And instead of a long list of ingredients that I can't even pronounce, it's packed with those oils that are actually known for the exact purpose of moisturizing and softening dry skin. And like I said, I've been applying it to my feet, but you can also use it on your elbows if your elbows are dry, or even your knees. I do love the lavender scent. It's not real overpowering. It's a real pretty scent. And I also like that you can use it wherever you have dry skin patches. And what I really appreciate is that it kind of creates a protective moisture barrier that helps your skin stay hydrated instead of feeling like it just disappears 5 minutes later. And I think that's kind of the beauty of it being a balm, an oily balm. It kind of protects your skin. And like I said, I like to use it before bed so that it has time to soak in overnight. And it really did surprise me how soft my skin felt afterward, but it didn't feel greasy. So overall, I think this is a great option if you're dealing with dry feet, or if you have cracked heels, you know how painful that can be, or if you just have calluses or rough skin on your feet. I love the natural ingredients. I like the rich texture. And of course, the fact that a little bit of this goes a long way.